AI isn't just changing tech, it's changing society. How we work, live, and connect is being rewritten. Most of us don't even realize it's happening. The power and profits are concentrated in a few hands. Benefits go to shareholders, risks fall on everyone else. We're all passengers, but only a few are steering, and they're not sharing the map. That's why we need transparency and accountability, regulations that protect people, not just profits. A real public conversation about the AI future we want. If we don't speak up, others will decide for us. So, stay informed, ask questions, be skeptical, support ethical AI, talk to your community and leaders, demand that these billion-dollar secrets come out into the open. AI is everyone's business now. Our future depends on paying attention. Right now, your move. Is AI fair? Not always. Train it on biased data, and you get biased results fast. Discrimination at the speed of light. Then there are deepfakes, AI-generated videos and audio that can fool anyone. Imagine fake evidence in court, or politicians saying things they never said. The chaos and misinformation potential is huge. Some companies profit from these tools, ignoring the fallout. And when things go wrong, who's responsible? The coder? The company? The AI? Good luck finding accountability. Companies love the credit, dodge the blame. Even insiders are worried. Some are sounding the alarm. They fear the tech is moving too fast with too little oversight. When the creators are nervous, maybe we should be too. Because the consequences are real and growing. AI companies love to show off their tech until you ask how it works suddenly. It's all top secret, their algorithms. Black boxes your data. Collected in mountains often without you realizing. Where does it come from? How is it used? Is it fair? Good luck getting answers. Most of us just click agree and move on. But this lack of transparency is a huge problem. How can we trust systems we don't understand? These AIs make decisions about jobs, loans, even justice. The computer says no, but why? Companies guard their secrets fiercely. Algorithms are worth billions wrapped in legal jargon, hidden from scrutiny. They want you dazzled by the magic, not questioning the magician. But what's behind the curtain could be less than magical. Sometimes it's downright scary. We deserve to know how these systems work because their decisions shape our lives. And the stakes are only getting higher. Let's talk about AI companies and the staggering money they're making. Some AI giants are now worth trillions, yes, with a T. That's more than many countries will ever see. And it's all built on algorithms, and your data. AI isn't just a tech thing anymore, it's everywhere. It shapes your news, your music, even your healthcare. It's in your phone, your car, maybe even your toaster. Most of the time, you don't even notice it. That's convenient for them. But here's the catch. This world-changing tech comes with big risks. We're dazzled by what AI can do, but we're not asking the tough questions. What happens when it goes wrong? Who's in charge? Just a handful of massive companies. They hold the keys, making decisions that affect us all, often behind closed doors. There's little public discussion. It's like they're cooking up our future, and we don't even get to see the recipe. We're all part of the meal, whether we like it or not. And the bill? It's coming due.